everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I have a little Melt Cosmetics Zodiac palette today. It's the Air one, which represents Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This was given to me for free. I'm a Scorpio, although it doesn't matter, but whatever. So I just wanted to swatch it for you. Alright, so it's basically two quads. There's like a coral gradient and a purple gradient. Comes with a mirror, very cute. It has the signs of the Zodiac on the back. I don't see any eye warnings. So all of these should be safe for eye use. I gotta get rid of this thing. I'll put the palette up on the screen. I'm just gonna swatch it in front of you here. The first one is called Frivolous. It's the lightest kind of corally peach shimmer. The next one's called Indecisive. And it's a straight up like corally pink. The next one is called Ghosted. It's much more orange. Much more peach than pink. And then the next one is called Two-Faced. Let me get a better swatch on this one. It's another shimmer. This is a darker coral, a little more pink leaning, like the second one, Indecisive. Okay. I'm trying the swatching a little different this time instead of the overhead. The overhead swatching is really difficult to do. I've done it, but it takes a little creativity to set up, especially with the, amateur lighting that I've got. So this is the top row. Let's do the bottom row. First one is the darkest purple. It's called Mind Games. Very plum, very pigmented purple. Next one's a shimmer called Flaky. Gorgeous royal purple, one of my favorite colors. I don't know how to say the next one. Chismosa? Chismosa is next. It's like a magenta-y or fuchsia. What color is that? It's like a reddish violet. And then the last one is called Reckless, and it's the lightest shade. It does pull a little purple, but it kind of looks more like white shimmery in the swatch. Hopefully you can see that. So yeah, it's kind of a coral quad and a nice little purple quad. It's a really cute, generous little gift. I can't wait to start, especially using those purples and see what it looks like and come up with this. So thanks for watching. Go check out a whole bunch more swatch videos that we have. Don't forget to click subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to grow it at least to 1,000 is my next goal. So thanks very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye. This is like a dorker? This is a darker, why can't I say darker? Right, I'm an idiot. I need to wipe off my hands, fingers. Is that weird when I like peek up above it?